This Faceless Finance channel started just 3 weeks ago and has already gained over 39,000 subscribers. Some of its videos have already pulled in hundreds of thousands of views. The concept is beautifully simple: one illustrated character, clean white backgrounds, simple money graphics, basic finance topics, repeated in the exact same visual style, every single upload. Now, most people assume a channel like this can't be monetized, but that's completely wrong. Just open one of their videos and you'll immediately see ads running before it even starts. According to ViewStats, this channel is estimated to be making around $5,000 every month. I'm going to show you the totally free method to build a channel exactly like this, from finding video ideas, writing scripts, generating visuals, editing everything together in Filmora, all the way to designing clickable thumbnails. Make sure you're like and subscribed, because we're starting right now. Here's the final video I created using this exact workflow.
Okay, so you want to own a car wash. From the outside, it looks like one of the simplest businesses in the world. Cars drive in dirty, leave clean a few minutes later, and all you have to do is collect the money while a few machines do the work. But here's the part most people never see. The US car wash industry now generates well over $20 billion in annual revenue, with more than 60,000 locations spread across the country.
Looks pretty good, right? The best part is that almost everything you'll see today uses free tools, and the entire workflow comes together inside Filmora. I also spent weeks creating one master prompt that automates almost this entire process, from finding viral video ideas and writing scripts to generating visuals and designing clickable thumbnails. If you want it, just comment master prompt, and you'll find the download linked in the pinned comment. Now let's build one from scratch. Step 1. Finding viral video ideas. The first thing we need is a video topic. Instead of spending hours researching ideas manually, I use my custom Claude prompt. Head over to my Notion page, copy the video idea prompt, and paste it into the free version of ChatGPT. Within seconds, ChatGPT generates 5 viral finance video ideas. It also gives you a thumbnail concept, call-out labels, and a video description hook, making it much easier to pick the best idea. Don't like the results? Simply type, "Give me 5 more." It instantly generates another batch. For this video, I'm going with this idea right here. Now that we have our video idea, let's generate the script. Step 2, writing the script. Go back to the Notion page, scroll down a little, and copy the script maker prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. Then scroll to the bottom of the prompt, where you'll see a placeholder for your video idea. Delete the placeholder and replace it with your own topic. Once that's done, click Generate. Sometimes ChatGPT may ask you to create the script one section at a time. If that happens, simply type, "Make the first part." Continue until the entire script is finished. A few seconds later, ChatGPT gives you a complete 8 to 10 minute YouTube script. But here's what makes this prompt different. The script is already broken into short, natural sentences with built-in pauses. That makes the pacing feel much more like a real YouTube creator instead of AI-generated paragraphs. Pretty solid, right? With the script finished, it's time to make it sound human. Step 3, creating the voiceover. I've tested a lot of AI voice generators, but I always come back to 11 Labs. The voices include natural breathing, better emotion, and realistic inflection, so they sound like an actual person instead of a robotic text-to-speech engine. Even the free plan uses the same voice model as the paid version. The only real difference is the monthly character limit. Simply paste in your script, choose a realistic voice, generate the audio, and download it. Step 4, sync everything first. Now here's where most people make a huge mistake. Most creators immediately start generating random images. Don't do that. Before creating a single image, we need perfect timing. You could ask ChatGPT to estimate the scene changes, but it's only accurate about 70% of the time. Instead, upload your voiceover into TurboScribe AI. Upload the audio, click Transcribe, and within a few minutes, you'll get every spoken sentence with accurate timestamps. Now you know exactly where every scene starts and ends. No more guessing. Step 5, generating every image prompt. Once the transcript is ready, go back to the Notion page and copy the image prompt generator. Paste it into ChatGPT, then scroll to the placeholder where it asks for your script. Go back to TurboScribe AI. Copy the transcript with timestamps. Personally, I like copying smaller sections while I'm working, but you can paste the entire transcript if you prefer. paste everything into ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT transforms every timestamp into its own visual scene. Instead of simply describing the words being spoken, it generates prompts that illustrate the ideas behind each sentence. Each timestamp gets its own image prompt. A typical video usually creates between 70 and 90 image prompts. Now it's finally time to generate the visuals. Step 6. Creating consistent images. This is where most AI channels completely fall apart. Every image looks different. Different characters, different colors, different art styles. The whole video ends up feeling inconsistent. Instead, stick with one clean visual style throughout the entire video. I use a minimalist stickman finance style with a blueprint background. To generate the images, I use the free version of Gemini. Simply copy the first image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Gemini, select Create Image, then click Generate. Within a few seconds, Gemini creates the first image. As you can see, it looks great. Now repeat the same process for the remaining prompts until you've generated every image. Once you have all your visuals, it's time to edit everything together. Step 7. Editing everything together in Filmora. Now it's time to put everything together, and honestly, this is my favorite part of the whole process. Open Filmora and create a new project. Then import all of your images and video files. First, drag your voiceover onto the timeline. Now, listen carefully to the narration and start adding your images one by one, matching them to what is being said. This part takes some time, so don't rush. Take your time and make sure each image appears at the right moment. Once everything is synced, let's add a simple intro text. In my video, the narration starts with, "Okay, so you want to own a car wash." To emphasize the word "okay," I add a text animation at the beginning. First, add a white background, then go to Titles and click Add Text. Filmora will automatically place the text on your timeline. Click the text clip, then go to the panel on the right and open the title settings. Under the Basics section, change the text color from white to black. Delete the default text and type. Okay, increase the font size so it's easy to read, then center it on the screen. To make it stand out a little more, enable the shadow option. Click Customize and lower the shadow opacity until it looks clean and natural. Don't make it too strong, just enough to give the text a little depth. Now let's improve the overall look of the video. Go to the Filters tab. You'll see hundreds of filters available, so feel free to experiment with different styles. For this video, I use the AI Color Enhance filter. Simply drag it onto the timeline and stretch it so it covers the entire video. Next, let's add transitions. Go to the Transitions tab and choose any transition you like. Personally, I use the fade transition because it works really well for this type of faceless finance video. If you want captions, you can generate them automatically. Go to the Titles section, select AI Captions, and click Generate. For this particular video, I decided not to use captions, so I left them off. And that's it. Our video is finished. Preview the entire video one last time to make sure everything looks good. Then export it in high quality, and you're ready to upload. Step 8. Thumbnail. Now the video is finished, but even an amazing video won't get views without a strong thumbnail. So let's head back to the Notion page one last time. Copy the thumbnail maker prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Scroll down to the placeholder and replace it with your video idea. Then click Generate. Within seconds, ChatGPT creates a detailed thumbnail prompt. Copy that prompt and open Gemini. Paste it into Gemini, choose Create Image, and click Generate. Gemini creates a thumbnail in the same high-performing style used by successful finance channels, but customized for your own video idea. As you can see, the result looks amazing. That's the exact workflow behind these faceless finance channels. If you want my complete master prompt that automates almost everything you saw today, you'll find it linked in the pinned comment. Also, let me know in the comments which finance topic you're going to make first. Or even better, share what you created while following along. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.